Welcome to Best Productly.
Best Keurig K-Elite Coffee Maker 2026. If you're looking to upgrade your coffee routine in 2026, you're in the right place. Today we're checking out the best Keurig K-Elite Coffee Maker 2026 and why so many coffee lovers are talking about it right now. Morning coffee should be quick.
Top 1.
Keurig K 2500 Single-Serve Commercial Coffee Maker. Keurig K 2500 Single-Serve Commercial Coffee Maker is designed for workplaces and busy environments where fast and consistent coffee service is needed throughout the day. In modern offices, break rooms, and shared spaces, people prefer a machine that can handle continuous use while keeping coffee preparation simple and reliable. This model is often chosen in commercial settings because it supports high-demand usage with minimal effort. Office staff, visitors, and teams rely on quick coffee access during work hours, meetings, and short breaks. A system like this helps reduce waiting time and keeps daily.
Top 2.
Keurig K 2550 Medium Business Single-Serve Coffee Maker. The Keurig K 2550 Medium Business Single-Serve Coffee Maker is designed for workplaces that need fast, consistent coffee throughout the day. In busy offices, reception areas, and shared staff rooms, people depend on quick coffee access that does not slow down daily workflow. This type of machine is often chosen for its ability to support multiple users with steady performance in professional environments. Modern workplaces focus on convenience and efficiency, and coffee service is part of that daily routine. Employees and
Top 3.
Keurig K 2550 Medium Business Single-Serve Coffee Maker. The Keurig K 2550 Medium Business Single-Serve Coffee Maker is built for busy work environments where people need quick and reliable coffee throughout the day. Offices, meeting rooms, and shared staff areas often require a simple solution that can serve multiple users without slowing down daily activities. This type of machine is commonly used in workplaces where convenience and consistency are important. Modern office culture focuses on comfort and productivity, and coffee has become part of that routine. Employees and visitors expect easy access to fresh beverages during breaks, discussions, and long working hours. A single-serve system helps reduce delays and keeps workplace flow more.
Top 4.
Keurig K-155 Office Pro Single Cup. The Keurig K-155 Office Pro Single Cup Coffee Maker is designed for busy workplaces where quick, reliable coffee service is needed throughout the day. Offices, meeting rooms, and shared staff areas often depend on machines that can deliver consistent performance without slowing down daily routines. This model is commonly used in professional environments where convenience and efficiency matter most. The Keurig K-155 Office Pro is widely known as a commercial-style single-serve system built for group usage and frequent demand. It is often selected by businesses that want to simplify coffee preparation while keeping workflow smooth. Many offices prefer this type of machine because it reduces waiting time and supports multiple users.
Top 5.
Keurig K-3550 Large Business Single-Serve Coffee Make. The Keurig K-3550 Large Business Single-Serve Coffee Maker is built for workplaces where many people need fast and reliable coffee throughout the day. In modern offices, hotels, and shared business spaces, daily routines depend on quick beverage access that does not interrupt workflow. This type of machine is often selected for environments where speed, consistency, and easy operation are important. The K-3550 is designed for large business use, supporting continuous brewing for groups of employees and visitors. It helps reduce waiting time during breaks, meetings, and busy hours, making office routines more efficient. Many organizations prefer this type of single-serve system because it simplifies coffee service without requiring complex handling or training. In today's work culture, employee comfort and productivity are closely linked. A reliable,
the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.